Hi you guys, this is the talented Mr. Fridge. I'm at Lily's house and I'm gonna show you what's in her fridge. It's a nice, very nice big fridge, you'll see. It's organized really well. Recently they got some organizers, which I love. This one is an egg one. This is cilantro, I'm guessing. I want to say that's going to be coconut milk, heavy cream, rice, or quinoa, nut pods. Recently noticed Emma Chamberlain uses nut pods, ricotta. I think this is some kind of peanut sauce. I'm going to say cucumber, chicken. This is a quinoa dish with asparagus, it looks like. Potatoes with dill. Some sort of stewy, tomatoey squash dish. This is a little container of grain salad. There's some avocados. Nothing in this container. Eggs, string cheese, jam, green chili sauce, sesame ginger, chimichurri, it looks like. A bunch of different kind of cheese, string cheese. Tamarind concentrate back there. I'm not sure what that is actually. And this is a bag with some kind of chocolate in there. I'm thinking maybe there's drugs in it. Okay, heavy cream, a bowl with a cloth cover on it with inside of it is, oh, it's like a crumble, cherry crumble or something. Takeout container of onion rings and fries. This box looks kind of like not food. There's some seltzer. This is some meat with peas. This is some coffee. Tempty whipped cream cheese. Rice. I want to say it's broccolini. Maybe it's kale. I think it's kale. And in the back there, you're gonna see. It's gonna say yeah, fermented ginger carrots. Let's get that back in focus. Talking to my cameraman. And then there's some nori seaweed wraps, I believe. A bunch of ginger back there. There's a lot of it, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 things of wasabi. Looks a little bit old, no shade. Tortillas. Tomatoes and lemons. More ginger right there. And this is a vegetable drawer. Some almond butter hiding there. Cucumber, some celery, carrot, parsnip. This cabbage has seen better days. I want to say parsley here, zucchini, more cucumber. Okay, and in the door, it's a very clean fridge. In the door they have, there you're gonna see it, I think that is Kerrygold butter, the world famous butter. Peanut butter chips, soy sauce, harissa, hot pepper, ginger, lemongrass condiment. Oh my gosh, these have been intriguing me for a long time. Good Day chocolate probiotic for a happier tummy for kids. I think that they're green chocolates. I'm tempted to steal one, I'll tell you the truth. This is a big thing of capers. I would love to have that at my house. A gochujang sriracha, green cholula. I want to be honest with you, I have seen this same bottle in the fridge here for the past 4.5 years. This is honey mustard, hot mustard, packets. Oh my god, the door is dinging at me to close it. This is blue agave sriracha. Do you hear the door dinging for me to close it? That's so sweet. I'm almost done. Okay, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, mushroom flavored dark soy sauce, mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise, vegetable and fruit sauce. Okay, that has been Lily's Fridge. I hear you, I'm closing you. I'm speaking quietly because the baby's asleep. But anyway, that was Lily's Fridge. I feel really good after looking at that fridge. I hope you do too. Bye.